Hi friends, today I am going to make a earring stud.
For this project I used 20 gauge brush wire. I have used glass beads.
In the middle there is a 8 centimeter glass bead, and in the outer side these are the 5 centimeter glass beads, and this is my 20 gauge brush wire. At first I am straightening the wire. Now just leave 1.5 to 2 centimeter wire in the end and then make it a L shape. Now I am inserting my 8 mm glass bead here. Place it here and then wrap the wire around the bead. Then I am wrapping the pin of the stud. It is necessary. After wrapping it, I am going to cut the wire. Press the end of the wire before cutting. Now my base earring stud is ready. Here I am using 26 gauge brush wire for further decoration. I am going to wrap this wire around the base wire. I am wrapping it 2 to 3 times. Now I am inserting the 5 mm glass beads here. These are pearl-like beads but not pearls. You can use any type of beads here. Now I am going to make a round and make it around the stud and then insert my wire in the first bead. You must make it tight. Now I am wrapping 3 beads from the front and in the back side 2 beads, and in this way I am wrapping my whole wire around the beads. After wrapping all the beads, end it here. Wrap the main wire 2 to 3 times and then cut the wrapping wire. My work is ended here. These are my earrings. Like and subscribe my channel for more videos. Bye bye for now.